Kia Forte vs Honda Civic in the new IIHS side crash test. The 2022 Kia Forte updated side test, rated poor. The 2022 Honda Civic updated side test, rated acceptable. IIHS developed the updated side crash test after research showed that many of the real-world side impacts that still account for nearly a quarter of passenger vehicle occupant fatalities are more severe than the original evaluation. The updated side crash test uses a heavier barrier, traveling at a higher speed, to simulate the striking vehicle. The new barrier weighs 4,200 pounds, close to the weight of today's mid-size SUVs, and strikes the test vehicle at 37 miles per hour, compared with a 3,300-pound barrier, traveling at 31 miles per hour in the original evaluation.
Thanks for watching this video. Please take a moment and give us a like or leave a comment and subscribe to our channel.